Welcome to SalonBridge. SalonBridge is designed to help you to better manage your appointments, customer payments, retail sales, and client notifications. SalonBridge is cloud-based, so you're able to access your dashboard from any device, at any time, from as many locations or devices as you wish. In this video, we'll cover some of the basics of SalonBridge. We'll go over how to make your first appointment, capturing a payment for it, selling a retail item, and other important day-to-day tasks. When you log into SalonBridge, you will see the dashboard, which shows you your numbers for the month, a graph with appointment numbers from the past 6 months, and a list of today's appointments. As an administrator, you see everything and are able to manage every aspect of your account. Receptionists and individuals will not see everything that you see, and will only see their own statistics and appointments. On the left-hand side of the screen is the primary navigation panel. This is where you access your business information, your client information, and other important setup aspects such as your services and retail items. Much of this is configured during the setup phase and does not need to be changed on a regular basis. Now that we have covered the basics, let's get stuck in. Appointments are managed from the calendar. Think of this as your digital appointment book. To make your first appointment, click on Calendar. The calendar will open on today's date and list your staff in vertical columns, making it easy to see what staff members have booked for the day. You're able to navigate forward and backwards between days, or open a week or month view. You're also able to jump to a date quickly by using the mini calendar in the calendar heading. To make your first booking, click on a time you'd like to book. Enter in the client information and choose a service. When you enter the client's details, SalonBridge will save it as a new client, so you won't have to re-enter the information every time. You're able to make this a request booking, which is a way for staff to see that a client has requested a particular staff member, or make the appointment recur. When doing so, make sure to choose a recurring frequency and when it should end. Appointment notes can be made to remind the staff member of specific details for this appointment. This is optional, so once you've entered in the client information and you're satisfied, click on Book. The booking gets made and the client receives a notification automatically. These notifications can be configured or disabled by going to Settings and then to Client Notifications. Now that the booking has been made, you're able to move it, cancel it, or add a payment for it. To move it to a new time, move your mouse to where the time is displayed and drag it to a new time. You can also do so by moving it to a different therapist or even a different day. Another way to do this is by clicking on the appointment and changing the date manually over here, or changing the time per service over here. To cancel the booking, either right-click on the booking and click on Cancel Appointment, or click on the appointment and click on Cancel Appointments. This will cancel the appointment and take you back to the calendar screen. To edit the information of an existing booking, click on the appointment and click on the edit icon for the service you'd like to change. You can change the staff member, the service, the date and time, the price, or even apply a discount to this particular service. Once you've made the changes, click on Save. You'll notice the changes get made and reflect over here. To add another service to this booking, click on Add Another Service. You'll be asked for the service, which staff member is performing the service, the date and time, and the price information. Once you're happy with the information, click on Add Service. This will get added to the client's account automatically. SalonBridge is an account-based system. This means that when a customer comes for an appointment or purchases a retail item, it gets added to their account. The best way to think of an account is to think of it as a bill. When a customer comes and sees you for an appointment or to buy a retail item, the appointment gets added to their bill or account. To make a payment, click on an appointment and click on Go to Account. This will show you what the customer owes. From the screen, you're also able to add retail items to the customer's account, print pro forma invoices, or void payments. To add a payment, click on Add Payment. This allows you to choose the amount that the client is paying, whether or not he or she is paying a tip. You can specify the tip amount automatically, who the tip goes to, and how the client is paying. Once you've made the selection, click on Add Payment. The payment gets made and gets added automatically to the client's account. The account gets closed because the amount that was owed is equal to the amount that was paid. In the event that this client didn't pay for their treatment, the account would stay open and a future appointment would get added to this account automatically. If we go back to the calendar, we'll notice that the appointment color has changed to green and the status has changed to paid. There are two ways to capture a retail sale. In the first example, a customer has an existing appointment and wants to purchase retail after their appointment. In this case, you can go to the customer's account by either right-clicking or clicking on the appointment and saying Go to Account. From the account screen, you can say Add Delete Retail. When you choose that, select a retail item that they'd like to buy, which staff member sold them the product, the quantity that they're purchasing, and any discount that applies. Once you're happy with that, click on Add Retail. This will add the retail item to their account automatically. In the second example, there is no existing appointment and the retail sale is for a walk-in customer. You can either right-click on the calendar and say New Retail Sale, or you can click on the plus icon in the corner of the calendar and say New Retail Sale. It'll ask you for the customer's information, which staff member sold them the retail product, and what they're purchasing. Once you're satisfied with that, click on Create Sale. This will create a new account for the walk-in customer and show you what's owed. From this screen, you're able to capture a payment the same way as before, by choosing an amount, any tip relative to the amount, and the method of payment. SalonBridge keeps track of all of your customer information for you securely in a client database. To view your clients, click on Clients and then on View Clients. From here, you can search for a particular client or add a new one. If you know who you're searching for, type in their details and click on Search to bring up their information, which allows you to click on the client, view their information and change it, and see a history of all of their appointments and any retail purchases as well. From the left-hand side of the screen, you're able to view client birthdays by clicking on Client Birthdays. This will show you everybody's birthday for this month. You're also able to click on the message icon to send them a friendly birthday message. Also underneath the client section is the client messages section. Because SalonBridge sends out notifications for appointment confirmations, cancellations, reminders, and for birthdays, you might want to see what the system has actually sent. This allows you to see every message that has been sent to your customer. You can either search for a particular client, or by clicking View, see exactly what the message was that was sent to your customer. The My Business section allows you to customize information relating to your business. If we click on Business Info, we're able to update your business information, your business logo, and business address. To update any of this information, click on Edit. Once you've made the changes and are satisfied, click on Save. Underneath My Business is also the Hours and Scheduling section. This allows you to update your staff scheduling, your core business hours, and also create closeouts. Closeouts are like sessions of leave, for example. If you wanted to book yourself off for a certain duration of time, you can create a closeout, whether it be for every staff member or just for a particular staff member, the reason, the date and time, and whether the appointment actually recurs or not. Once you click on Add Closeout, the closeout will be added and nobody will be able to book during that time. The Services section allows you to add your services or edit existing services. Services are grouped into categories, and by clicking on a category, you're able to see the services that are listed underneath. You're able to reorder these services by clicking and dragging them into the order that you want. If you click on a service, you're able to edit the name, the category, the description, the duration, and price. You're also able to customize extra fields such as the transition time, processing time, whether it shows online or not, and which services are assigned to which staff member. To create a new service, click on Add Service. Type the service name, allocate it to a particular category, or add a new category. Specify the description if relevant, the duration in hours and minutes, and how much the service costs. Once you click on Add Service, the service will be added to the category that you assigned it to or created. You're also able to move the service categories into the order that you wish by clicking and dragging them into a new order. The category will be updated automatically and applied to your bookings calendar and your online booking. The retail section will show you which retail products have been added to your account. By clicking on a retail category, we will display the list of retail items underneath that category. Like with services, you're also able to click and drag your retail products into the order that you wish. You can do the same thing for your service categories. To edit a retail item, click on the retail item, update the stock code, the name, the category, your current inventory level, and the cost and retail price, and click on Save once you're happy. To add a new retail product, click on Add Retail Stock, put in the product code, give the product a name, assign it to a category or a new one, specify how many you have in stock, and specify the cost price and the retail price. Once you click on Add Stock, the stock will be added to your retail list. By clicking on Staff, we're able to see a list of staff members that have been added to your account. You can click on an existing staff member to see their information or update it. You're also able to update their working hours or online booking hours. Once you're happy with this, click on Save. To add a new staff member, click on Add Staff Member. You'll be asked for their name, last name, email address, the email address that we should use to send notifications to, and their mobile number. Items like their date of birth, service commission, and retail commission are optional fields. The access allows you to specify what they'll be allowed to do in the system. An administrator will have access to everything. An individual will only be able to see their own appointments and reports. A receptionist will be able to manage appointments for all staff, but not be able to access important information like your services and sales and revenue reports. When adding a staff member, you can also allocate which services they're allowed to perform. This is important for online bookings for when a customer chooses a service and needs to choose a staff member. This ensures that nobody chooses a staff member that isn't qualified for that role. Once you've made those changes, click on Save and the staff member gets added to your account. If you'd like to change the order of your staff member, simply click and drag the staff member into the order that you'd like. This will be updated on your appointment calendar, your online bookings, and on your staff section. The Reports section allows you to run reports that relate to your business. You're able to run things like appointment reports, sales and revenue reports for your staff, commission reports, and even your daily cash-up reports. Some of the more important reports are your sales and revenue reports, which will show you an overview of either your complete business or by staff, and you're able to choose a date range for this. All reports can be viewed on screen or downloaded into Excel or PDF. Once you've chosen your report, click on Generate Report. This will show you the numbers for the date range that you specify and whether you've chosen for the business or group by staff member. Your cash-up report will allow you to choose a cash-up report for a particular day and whether you'd like to view it on screen, Excel, or PDF. The cash-up report will show you an overview of what was sold on services, retail, gift cards, with subtotals and tips. It will also show you a breakdown of payments and a breakdown of what each staff member did. The total payment amount should always match the summary amount in terms of what came in to balance for the end of the day. Other reports, like your appointment reports, will show you an overview of how your business is performing on a high level. It will show you a graphical representation of when your busy times are and who your top selling staff members are. SalonBridge even allows you to send out bulk messages to your customers. If we go to the marketing section, you'll see that we're able to create an SMS campaign. This allows us to give the campaign a name, for example, Mother's Day Special, the SMS text that should be sent to your customers, when you'd like it to be sent, and at what time during that date the message should be sent. You're also able to specify to which clients the message should go. This is a great way to promote new specials or opening specials or promotions on new retail sales. SalonBridge will use your SMS credits that you have available, but if you run out, we'll still send out the message campaign and credit your account at the end of the month. Online bookings are a great way to get new business and to help existing customers to book online when you're not available. In the online booking section, we preview the booking link that you can give to your customers. You're able to customize this link by changing the background color, the heading color, the text color, the main text color, and the book now color. We also give you instructions on how to add it to your Facebook business page, your Instagram account, or embed it into your website if you have one. If you don't have a website, you can use this link and your customers can book at any time 24/7. When a customer makes an online booking, you get sent a notification that their booking's been made. The customer receives a free SMS letting them know that their booking has been made, and it appears automatically in your appointment calendar. Earlier on, we discussed how you can customize the messages that get sent when a booking gets made or the customer gets reminded of their appointment. To customize these, click on Settings and click on Client Notifications. You'll be able to see immediately what type of notifications are enabled and disabled. To change these, click on Edit. You're able to enable or disable certain notification types, and you can customize the text that gets sent when this happens. If you'd like to change when a reminder gets sent, you can make it for the day before, the same day, or 2 days before. You're also able to specify a time that the notification gets sent and what the reminder should say. You're limited to 140 characters, but apart from that, you can make this message entirely your own. Once you're happy, click on Save. This will update immediately and any new notifications will be updated immediately. Thank you messages are a great way to thank your customers after their appointment. You can edit them to be sent out after their appointment, and you can customize the message to be whatever you like. You can also customize whether it goes out that same day, the day after, or 2 days after. Every month, SalonBridge gives you free SMS credits. If you run out of SMS credits, you're able to come to the client notifications section and top up your SMS credits. If you'd like to top up, click on Top Up, specify how many you'd like to buy, and click on Save. We'll ask you whether you're sure and tell you exactly how much will be added onto your following invoice. The SMS credits become available on your account immediately, and you'll only get billed for these on your next invoice date. The final topic we'll discuss in this video is how to change your login details. From the Settings section, click on Login Details. If you'd like to change your email address or password, click on Edit, update the password to something more memorable, and click on Save. This video was designed to give you an overview of SalonBridge and how some of the basic navigation works. If you ever feel like you'd like to ask us a question, simply click on the bottom left icon and send us a message. Alternatively, I encourage you to play around, click some of the links, and make some appointments for yourself. As always, if you have any questions, we can be reached via email or on phone.